TG-870D Type-T high-speed automatic swing blade gear grinding machine. Firstly, open the toolbox, take out the accessories, and get to install. 1. Insert the pipe. Adjust the pressure. General pressure is set to 6 bar. Fill the oil cup or oil water separator with special oil for cylinder. 2. Fill the tank with water and add the grinding fluid. Secondly, turn on the power switch to set parameter. 1. Press the button or return origin. Return the green wheel motor to 0. 2. Set the number of blade teeth set grading. One tooth putting can grade the tooth surface for one or more times. 3. Choose the tooth type of saw blade. The machine can complete the grading of forward and backward angles for horizontal gear, gear of right and left, gear of 1 right and 3 left, gear of 3 right and 1 left, gear of left right horizontal, gear of left right horizontal, gear of left horizontal right, gear of right left horizontal, and so on. Thirdly, installation and operation of saw blade. 1. Adjust the left and right swing angle according to the saw blade. Factory setting 7 degrees left and right respectively. Tighten the screws at the rear of the cylinder's two sides to adjust the swing angle from left to right. 2. Choose the suitable reduction sleeve and saw blade. 3. Press and advance button or tooth putting on the screen to put the tooth putting needle to the vertex position. Loosen the workbench. Tighten the handle and move the saw blade to make an alloy surface of the saw blade that needs mending. Then second the tooth putting needle and tighten the handle screw. Note that the left and right tooth grinding wheel is inclined to the left. The tooth profile against the tooth putting needle must be in the same direction as the inclined surface of the grinding wheel. 4. Loosen the handle and rotate the workbench. Tighten the screw. Adjust the parallelism between the tooth surface and the surface of grinding wheel, and tighten the screw. Move the Y longitudinal handwheel and adjust the grinding wheel to make the surface of the grinding wheel ahead, and it does not collide with the tooth surface of the saw blade. 5. Adjust the hose down cylinder. Move it to open the fulcrum of the saw blade. Press the push button or hold down the saw blade to hold down the saw blade, and then press the return button or tooth putting to return the tooth putting needle to the position of teeth underneath. 6. Saw blade pitch adjustment. Loosen the rear nuts of the cylinder. Adjust clockwise. The pitch gets smaller. Adjust the pitch back counterclockwise to increase the pitch. 7. Press the push button or grinding wheel to make the grinding wheel to leap forward over the alloy teeth of the saw blade. Set the root position. Press the returning button or grinding wheel to make the grinding wheel step back from the tooth tip position. Set the crest position. 8. Press the button of auto off to open the automatic mode. Open the water pump, and then press the start button to operate the machine. Move the Y longitudinal handwheel to adjust the grading amongst the sawtooth. Fourthly, back angle of saw blade grading. 1. Reverse grading wheel. 2. Loosen the rotate handle or workbench. Tighten the screw. Rotate the workbench and move the Y longitudinal handwheel at the same time to make the grinding wheel back. Adjust the back angle of the saw blade to be sharpened parallel to the grinding wheel surface, and tighten the screw. Generally, avoid the left and right swing of the grinding wheel to touch the tooth putting needle. So select the next set of tooth shapes next to the tooth putting needle surface. 3. Adjust the cylinder to tighten the saw blade. Press the push button or grinding wheel to set the crest position. Press the returning button or grinding wheel to exit the tooth tip position. Set the crest position. 4. Press the button or auto off to open the automatic mode. Open the water pump. And then press the start button to operate the machine. Move the Y longitudinal handwheel to adjust the grinding amount of saw tooth.